Hi guys, Captain Nick here with MarineMax in St. Pete.
Captain Keith, Clearwater.
And of course, we're your host of Boating Tips Live. We miss you, but we promise you we aren't going anywhere, which we're not, and we will be back. In the meantime, we're gonna go through a series of boating tips, and I hope that it helps everybody out, especially on Labor Day weekend, and we hope to see everybody out on the water. So to give you a little taste, we're back here behind MarineMax Clearwater. Keith is gonna go through something that's very simple, but it can get a little confusing when you're talking about doing it the right way. He's gonna show you how to do a cleat hitch properly. So
I know we've done a bunch of videos on this before, but it's real simple. If you're taking your line off the dock and you're coming around the cleat, you wanna go around the bottom, the longest way around the horn. I don't wanna start up here. So you're gonna come around, go around both sides, give it half a figure eight. Right there, you've got control of the boat. I want these lines to lay parallel like that on top of the cleat. So all you have to do is give this a little twist, put that little figure eight on there, and pull. So then you got them laying on there just the same. And it's that simple. The long way around the horn, around both sides, half a figure eight, give it a flip and put it on there. So, hey you guys, have a great Labor Day weekend. We're gonna do some videos for you and get some new content out for you, and we'll be back live before you know it.
Bye guys.